We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP 3600. If you've ever noticed that your prints are starting to get kind of blurry, or you're starting to see one of your colors where it's not supposed to, it's going to indicate that you're probably ready to do a calibration setting. Now every time you replace a cartridge, the printer automatically calibrates, but sometimes it'll actually do more of a quick calibration. So we're going to show you how to access the full calibration. It's pretty simple. Once you're with your printer on and in the ready state, you're just going to push the down arrow until you get to the configure device option, and you're going to click on the check mark. And then you're going to scroll down until you see print quality, and then you're going to hit the check mark again. And you're going to go down until you find full calibration. Now you want to be careful because there is a quick calibration option. You don't want to select that. That's not really going to help you in this case. You want to make sure that you're on the full calibration and then just hit the check mark. So oftentimes, depending on how bad it's getting, so as far as the blurriness or just the colors not being in the right position, you're probably going to have to repeat this process more than once. It's not uncommon to have to do it 2 or 3 times, but go ahead and try it. I would recommend doing it at least 3 times. If you're still having issues, you might have to give us a call. There might be further problems, but most often this will take care of that problem for you, and you should be good to go and be back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.